hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Ayan po guys, ayan, what's up, this is Lance TV, may grab shoutout po sa lahat guys, ayan, our content for today is about skim coat, ayan, skim coating po tayo, yung dalawang sako, hinaluan natin ng kunting semento, ayan, pinagbabawal po na technique pero may advantage siya, parang mas titigas pa yung kapit niya at saka titigas yung quality niya kasi may halong simento, titigas masyado yung niya, quality pagdating sa coating. Ayan po guys, i-mix natin yan, tapos lagyan natin ng tubig, ihalo natin yan sa ayan, panoorin natin guys kung paano natin ginamitan ng ipinagbabawal na technique about skim coating before painting. Yan, panoorin natin guys, samahan nyo ako dito sa ating content.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regret.
Ayan guys, tapos na po natin na mix yung skim coat at saka simento. Ayan, i-apply natin dito na tayo banda sa may likuran. Ayan, lagay natin sa taas sa damba, tapos akyat tayo kasi wala tayong helper. Ayan po guys, once again lahat ng trabaho pwede gamitan ng technique kung ano ang mabuti kahit hindi ito suggested or hindi ito required. Yan. Depende na po yan sa ating mga technique kung paano natin i-apply para mas lalong tumitibay yung ating ginagawa. Yan po guys. Sa mga gustong magtanong, paano na pag liha? Kasi after ng skim coating, iliha natin to. Iba ka mahirap lihain kasi tumitigas dahil mayroong semento. Actually, kunti lang naman yung hinalo natin semento guys. Hindi naman siya masyadong matigas. Matablahan pa rin siya ng liha guys. Ayan, proven and tested na po yan dito sa amin. Ayan, kung bago ka pa sa aking video, sana naman masubscribe mo ang channel natin at saka don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated tayo sa ating mga bagong upload. Once again, this is the Drilance TV. May grab shoutout po sa lahat. Ayan, panoorin natin kung paano natin tapusin yung skim coating.
Yeah.